Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and enabling tracking. First, put your Apple Watch on and unlock it, then make sure it's paired to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Once that's done, open the Watch app on the iPhone and go to My Watch, then Privacy and Motion, turn on Motion and Fitness so steps register. Also enable wrist detection and set a passcode for accurate measurements. Make sure Watch OS is updated before moving to tracking settings. Now configure step tracking details so readings are accurate. Open the Health app on your iPhone, browse to Activity then Steps, and confirm that your Apple Watch is listed as a data source with permission to write and read. Once done, return to the Watch app and check health data access and devices to allow sharing between devices. Next, calibrate by walking outdoors with good GPS for 20 minutes and ensure your dominant hand is set in health for stride accuracy. Finish by verifying that step counts appear consistently. Take a short walk of 100 to 200 steps and watch the steps total update in the Health app and the activity rings on your watch. You should see near real-time changes. If numbers don't match, restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch, recheck motion and fitness and wrist detection, and recalibrate by walking outside. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch, restoring from backup. This often fixes persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.